morning students. Today we are recapitulate the last class. So last class we learn about the types of sets. Types of set, first one null sets or empty set, and second one singleton sets, and third one finite sets, fourth one infinite set, fifth one equivalent sets, sixth one equal sets. In between we learn cardinal number of set also here, and seventh one subsets, eighth one proper subsets, and ninth one power sets. Just recap all the types of sets. So null set, it has no elements, it's called the null set. And then singleton set, singleton set means it has only one element. Infinite set, finite number of elements is called the finite set. Infinite set, it has not a finite elements, that is called the infinite set. Equivalent set, the number of elements are equal in a set A and B, that is n of A equal to n of B. The number of elements are equal in both sets, it is called the equivalent set. And equal set, all the elements in a set A and B contains same elements, is called the equal set. And cardinal number of set means the number of elements in a set, cardinal number of set means number of elements in a set, number of elements in a set. It is denoted by n of A. And then subsets, if A and B be the two set, if A and B be the two sets, then A is subset of B. Every element of A contains an element of B, is called the subsets. Proper set, if A and B be the subset of A and B. Proper sets, if A and B be two sets, A is not equal to B, then A is proper subset of B. A is proper subset of B. Ninth one power set, a set of all the subsets of the set. Subset of the set is called power sets, and it is denoted by P of n of A. It is denoted by power set of n of A. I hope you are understand the previous class concept. Now we are doing the exercise 1.1. Number 7, exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? The collection of prime numbers up to 100. So, well finite set, well defined set. So it is a set. So first one answer is set. And second one, the collection of rich people is rich people in India. The collection of rich people in India. So it's not a set because I might consider to be some people are rich, but you may not be. So that way, that right, not a set, not a set. And next, third one, the collection of all the river in India. It's a set, well defined objects. So it is a set. And fourth one, the collection of good hockey player. So it's not a set because சில பிளேயர் வந்து உங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும், குட்டாக தெரியும், மற்றவங்களுக்கு அவங்க வந்து பேடாக தெரியும். ஸோ அதை வந்து டிசைட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் நாட் அ வெல் டிஃபைன்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட். ஸோ இட்ஸ் நாட் அ செட். Second one, list the set of letters of the following words in rooster form. Rooster form means it's right in there listing all the elements. Listing all the elements. So first one, India. INDIA is given. So the rooster form let us consider a set A is equal to set bracket first rooster form listing all the elements I and next N D. I already written, so repetition is not allowed in set theory. So one time written INDA. That is a rooster form of the given words. And next one, parallelogram. Parallelogram. So rooster form A is equal to, the set A is equal to first P, and next one of the letter is A, and next one R. Already A written, so need not to write again. And next L. L repeated again twice times, so need not to write again. And next one of the letter E, and next O, G, R written, A already written, and final one of the letter is M. Close the set brackets. Should close the set brackets. Remaining two problems is homework. Now moving to the third one of the problem. Consider the following set A is equal to A is equal to 0, 3, 5, 8 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 10 and set C is equal to 12, 14, 18, 20. Say whether true or false. First one, first subdivision, 18 is belongs to C, July. So write in words. descriptive form. That is a descriptive form. The set of English month start from a letter J. Start from a letter J. That is answer. Okay. English month starts from a letter J. That is a descriptive form of the given statement. And second one of the problem, Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. So these are all the prime numbers, is it? 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 is a prime number. So set of all the prime numbers, a set of all the prime numbers between 5 and 31. 5 and 31. Okay. So that is a descriptive form. Set of all the prime number between 5 and 31. So remaining two problems homework. Okay. Now see the exercise 1.2. First one, find the cardinal number of the following set. Find the cardinal number of the following sets. So cardinal number of set means the number of elements in a set. Number of elements in a set. So first one given, M is equal to P, Q, R, S, T, U. So how many elements? So N of cardinal number of elements, cardinal number of a set, N of M is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of M is equal to 6. And then next one, P is equal to, set builder form is given. Set of all the elements X such that X is equal to 3n plus 2. N is belongs to W. W means whole number. And X is less than 15. X is less than 15. So second problem, P is equal to X. X is such that X is equal to 3n. So X equal to 3n plus 2. So whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, etc. Here one of the condition is given, X is less than 15. So value of X should in less than 15. So substitute the values of n one by one. So n equal to 0. So X equal to 3 into 0 plus 2. So 3 into 0, 0 equal to 2. So first element is 2. And next substitute value n is 1. So x equal to 3 into 1 plus 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. So second one of the element. And third element n equal to 2. So x equal to 3 into 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. And then n is equal to 3. So x equal to 3 into n value is 3 plus 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11. And n is equal to 4. So x equal to 3 into 4 plus 2. So 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14. And next 5 substitute more than 15. Here one of the condition is given, x is less than 15 only. So start with n is equal to 4. Now listing the elements. P is equal to, what are the elements? The first element found 2, second one 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay, here what do you find out in this place? N of P, cardinal number of a set. So n of P is equal to how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you all understand. Any doubt? Ask to me. Okay. So remaining problems, homework, try to complete, otherwise ask to me, I will explain again. Okay. Now move to the second one of the problem. Identify the following set as finite or infinite. Finite or infinite. Second problem. Okay, first option, x is equal to set of all the districts in Tamilnadu. So Tamilnadu la ethana districts irukena define panna mudiyum. So it is a well defined object. So it's a finite set. First one, finite set. Finite set. And second one, y is equal to set of all straight line passing through a point. So straight line passing through a one point valiya infinite number of lines passing, is it? One point valiya many infinite lines are passes. So it is a infinite set. It is a infinite set lines. Third one, A is equal to such that x, A is equal to set of all x such that x is belongs to z. Z means integers and x is less than 5. What is given? So integers is given and less than 5. So is it finite or infinite? Well, finite, because so integers start from 0 plus 1 plus 2, all the negatives and whole numbers, is it? So negative numbers minus 1 minus 2, so z is equal to, this is a form of integers, this is a form of integers. So here the condition is x is less than 5. X is less than 5. 5 விட கம்மியா, 5 விட கம்மியாங்கும்போது என்ன நம்பர்ஸ்லாம் வரும்? less than 5ங்கும்போது 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, endlessly going. So, okay, infinite set. And next one, fourth problem, b is equal to x such that x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So, x belongs to n. So, natural number. So, substitute natural number start from 1. Substitute the x value is 1. X equal to 1. So, 1 minus 5 into 1, 5 plus 6. What we get? 7, 2. And next x equal to 2, 4 minus 5 2s are 10. So, 4 minus 10 plus 6 will be 0. It is satisfied. The x value is 2. So, it is a finite set. And next, third one. Which of the following sets are equivalent or unequal or equal set? First one. Yes, set A is equal to set of all the vowels in a English alphabet. So, vowels A, E, I, O, U. And then B, set of all the letters in a word, vowel. Vowel elements in A, E. So, vowel word is given. Vowel word கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. VOWEL. So, first check the equivalent set. Equivalent set means number of elements in a set A and B are equal. So, first write the number of elements. Number of elements means cardinal number of set. So, n of A is equal to how many elements are there? 5. Here n of B, 5 elements. 5 elements. So, n of A and n of B are equal. So, it is called equivalent set. So, number of elements of both sets are equal. So, it is called the equivalent set. Equivalent set. Second one, C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and D equal to x such that x belongs to whole number. The interval 1 is less than x less than 5. The interval is 1 less than x less than 5. So, substitute the x value is first 0. So, how many of letters are between 1 and 5? So, more than 1 less than 5. So, what are the elements? 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the elements are there? Whole number is given. So first here consider the interval is 1 is less than x less than 5. So elements of set D is equal to 2, 3, 4. So compare the two sets C and D is not equal, right? So it's not a equal means unequal sets, okay? Set C and D is not equal, therefore it is a unequal set, unequal set, okay. And next third one. E is equal to the set of a letter A, X such that X is a letter in a word life. So number of elements in a set E is 4. L, I, E, life, okay. And next the set F is equal to F, I, L, E. Here number of elements are equal, number of elements are equal in a both set. At the same time the number of elements also in equal. Here L, here also L, I, F, E. So it is called the equal set. Equal because it has same elements. It has same elements in a set E and F. So it is called the equal set. And fourth one, G is equal to such that X is such that X is a prime number and 3 is less than X 23. Third or fourth one, G is equal to X such that X is a prime number. X is a prime number between the interval is 3 less than X less than 23. So what are the elements between 3 and 23? The prime numbers are 3 after next to prime number 5, 7, and 9 is not a prime number, and then 11, then 13, next 17, and final one is 19. And next one is 23. So the interval is given 3 less than X less than 23. So in between of 3 and 23 the prime numbers are 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. And next H is equal to X such that X is a divisor of 18. What are the divisor of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are all the divisor of 18. 1 ஆல் divide பண்ணலாம், 2 ஆல் divide பண்ணலாம், 3 ஆல் divide பண்ணலாம், 6, 9 and 18. These are all the divisor of 18. So now check the first equivalent set. So n of G is equal to how many elements? 6. N of H is equal to here also 6. So n of number of elements in a set G and H are equal. So it is called the equivalent sets. Okay. Okay, next one, fourth. Identify the following set as a null set or singleton set. Null set or singleton set. First condition, A is equal to such that x A is equal to set of all the elements x such that x belongs to a natural number. 1 is less than x less than 2. Less than 2. So, listing the elements, what are the elements between 1 and, so natural number start from 1, 2, 3 etc. Okay, it's an infinite set. Here one of the condition is given 1 less than x less than 2. So 1 க்கு 2 க்கு இடையில ஏதாவது நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கா? No. Infinite rational numbers are there but no natural numbers. So it is a null set. So A is equal to null set. It is a null set. And then second one, B, the set of all even natural number which are not divisible by, all the even natural numbers should divided by 2, but here the condition is not divisible by 2. So it is also a null set. Even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 etc. endlessly going. Which statement is given? Which are not divisible to. All the values are should divided by 2. So it's a null set. It's possible but given statement is wrong. So B is a null set. Null set denoted by this like or empty set. Okay. And third one, C is equal to, third one, C is equal to set bracket 0. Here only one element 0 is there. So it is a singleton set. C is a singleton set. And fourth one, D is equal to set of all triangle having 4 sides. Already you know that triangle having only 3 sides. So given statement is wrong. It's a null set. So D is equal to set of all the triangle is 4 side. So its given statement is wrong. So D is, therefore D is a null set. Reason, triangle has only 3 sides. That is the reason. Okay. And fifth problem, if S is equal to some shapes are given as a, if S is equal to square, rectangle, circle, rhombus, triangle, list the elements of the following subsets of S. So first question, listing the subsets. The set of shapes which have 4 equal sides. Which are the shapes having the 4 equal sides? Square, rectangle is not there, opposite sides are equal, and then circle is not having a side, and rhombus also 4 sides are equal. So first question answer is, let me have consider set A. So set of shapes which have 4 equal sides, square and rhombus, square and, so need not to write in words, listing the elements in a rooster form. So square, rhombus. And second one, the set of shapes which have no sides, is it to say, we have considered the second one B. B is equal to, no sides is circle. It has no sides. Okay. And third one, the set of shapes in which the sum of all the interior angle is 180. The triangle already learned in the 7th, 8th standards, one of the triangular property. Sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Sum of 3 angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So answer is third one, C is equal to triangle. And fourth one, the set of shapes which have 5 sides. Any 5 sides are in a given sets? No. Square, rectangle, circle, rhombus and triangle only given. So 5 sides shapes is not given in a set. So D is equal to, we are considering it as A, B, C, D for the sets. So D is equal to null set. D is equal to null set. Okay. And next one, 6th problem. If A is equal to, if A is equal to A comma B, write all the subset of A. Write all the subset of A. Last class we learned one of the example about the subsets. How do you write? Is it? So we will write now solution. So first write the null set, empty set irukla. Okay. Subset only you want to write in this place. Okay. Empty set irukla. Next one, A ingra set. Next, this one, A comma B, and final filling. Okay. Here consider 2 elements A and the set of elements AB. So as usual, first write the empty set and second of element A and third the given element AB. Otherwise it is possible of another one, A comma the set AB. I hope you are understanding subsets of A. And 7th problem. Write down the power set of the following set. Power set means the number of subset of a set, number of subsets. So, first one, A is equal to A comma B. So how do you write in the subsets? First write the subsets. Okay. So power of A. So power set of A means subset. First put the set bracket. After write first one empty set subset. What are the subset of A and B? empty set. Next set A, next set B, and next one of the set AB. Now close the power set brackets. Read difference between the subset and power sets. Okay. And next one of that, second one, B is equal to 1, 2, 3. So power set of B means subset of all the elements of set. So first put the set bracket and next write the empty set. Next write the first element of a subset 1. Next element of a subset is 2. Okay, and next element of a subset is 3. So complete in the single one. And next write 1, 2. Other possibilities 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, and final 1, 2, 3. Okay. So remaining 2 problem homework. So fourth one, how do you do? Fourth one, third problem only you will do because simplest one, but I will explain the fourth one only. Okay. So fourth problem, E is equal to empty is given. So how do you write the power set of E? Already null sets. Already had null set. We want to write in the subset of a null set. Subset of a null set is also null set. So power set already written in the set bracket. That's it. That is the answer for the fourth one. I hope you all understand the concepts and exercise problems. If you have any doubt, ask to me, I will explain. Okay, thank you students.